Have you noticed your rings don't sparkle as much, or maybe you have eyeglasses you can never get clean enough? Well, my name is Diana, and I was actually given this ultrasonic cleaner in return for this video. I'm super excited. I've never had one before. The concept is completely different than anything I'm used to. I used to put my rings in some of that solution, kind of a chemical thing, and it would clean them. You'd leave it soaking. This is different. It uses ultrasonic vibrations to get the gunk to come out of your ring. So it's just an incredible process. You're not using chemicals. Now you can put cleaners in here with the water if you choose to, but you don't have to. I'm going to give you a demonstration of how it works. I'm going to show you the results, and then you can decide if this is a fit for you. It uses 48 kilohertz high frequency ultrasonic waves, which basically means it sends tiny vibrations through water to shake loose all the grime you can't see. And it's got two little purple LED lights that help lift even more invisible dirt. It's like giving your jewelry a spa day. Now, if you're like me and you don't want to fuss with complicated buttons, you'll love how simple this is. You just add water to the stainless steel tank. It holds a generous 550 milliliters, so you can clean multiple items at once. Then you tap one of the two touch buttons to choose your cleaning mode. There's a 5-minute quick clean or an 8-minute deep clean that includes a dega function. That dega feature is neat. It removes air bubbles from the water so your jewelry doesn't oxidize while it's being cleaned. If you want an extra boost, you can add a few drops of cleaning solution or a tablet not included, and it works even better. And since it's made with stainless steel, it's way more durable than the plastic ones you see online. I have some jewelry pieces that desperately need some cleaning. I'm going to run them through a cycle and show you how nice they sparkle when they come out. Remember, you don't want to put any soft stones like emeralds in this cleaner. I didn't use any cleaning solution. I just wanted to see what water could do, and wow, check out how nice everything looks now. I have to say, the glasses have never been so clean. They almost look like brand new. My jewelry is sparkling again. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but they look stunning. They almost look like when I first got them. Now, important, don't put your soft stones in here. I didn't put my emerald in there. You definitely want to make sure your stone is a hard type stone. You can look up what that is. But it does a beautiful job. Glasses, even on some silverware, you'll have to look up all the ways that this can be used, not just jewelry and eyeglasses. So if you're looking for a great ultrasonic cleaner, definitely check this one out.